Hello everyone and welcome back to Casino M8trix Card Academy. I'm Julie, your instructor and dealer for the day. Today we're going to be going over a few more options you have in pure 21.5 Blackjack, which is to split and double down. So here's what it means to split. You're going to be offered two cards of the same value. You're then going to be given the option to split those two cards. In order to do that, you have to put up a wager equal to your original bet. You'll hit those cards, 11, scratch the table for a hit, 21, stay. 20, stay. Dealer shows, 13, 23, dealer bust. Everyone wins. Now let's pay out. Okay, now let's review on how to double down. Typically, players only double down when their two cards total 10 or an 11, because when you double, you're only gonna get one card. The same concept still applies. You're gonna put up a wager equal to your original bet and receive your one card. Dealer opens, 17, dealer stays, 21, player wins. Now let's pay out. To learn more about the other games you can play here at Casino M8trix, check out our other videos in this series. Good luck and may the cards fall in your favor.